project I'd like to share with you is it's fairly complex and tricky, and we're fairly proud of the end result on this one. We're working for a major builder on the SPRINGVALE Road Rail Alliance, and this is basically the overpass on SPRINGVALE Road that goes over the railway line. They had a few leaks, and they decided to do some remediation works, and they called us in after a number of attempts were made to waterproof from the underside by others, and that didn't work. So they removed all the paving from the upper levels onto the footpath levels, and once that was removed, they asked us to come in and apply liquid rubber membrane over the existing concrete slab. This concrete slab was quite rough. You can see from some of these images, because they had to scable it back off to remove all the sand and cement mortar, which was supporting the pavers. And in that there was a lot of channels, there was a lot of cables, a lot of penetrations, trenches, drainage, grates and so on, which we had to basically work around and do a lot of hand detailing beforehand, just to ensure that we had a watertight seal. So all the guys got stuck into it pretty well and did a fine job of detailing everything. And the tiles, the existing tiles that were left there that they wanted to work around, we took particular attention to mask them all off so there'd be no overspray onto those. Everything was masked off, and then once that was done, away we went with the twin head spray gun. This was pretty much a make it up as we go along scenario. The builder was making it up and we were doing it. So there was a couple of variations involved which we successfully carried out for them, and in so much as the drainage system needed to have some falls built into it, so we put a special screening agent into that so the falls would all run away. And also to create a subterranean fall, we did a special little area with fiberglass reinforcing mesh over the top of the membrane after they screeded it, and then we recoated it. Then they came along and decided to put in special grates which all had all thread epoxied into the slab through our membrane, so then we had to come back and detail each individual threaded piece so it wouldn't leak, which we carried out very successfully. And as you can see, we had the traffic all around us, and we were just shifting walkways every other day to make it all work. Very successful project. Builder was very, very happy with what we did, and we're proud of what we've done there. So pat on the back for all my guys and the way the job